I'm Jim Hurley. I'm with Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers. I help people when they're injured in car, truck, or motorcycle accidents. Oftentimes when I'm talking to people, they say, "What's a lawsuit? What do I have to do? What do I have to go through?" Let me talk a little bit about that. If you're injured in a car, truck, or motorcycle accident, you have 2 years from the time of the injury, generally speaking, to file any type of lawsuit. Now, the lawsuit you would file would be in circuit court. Oftentimes, it's the circuit court where you were injured, whether it's Norfolk or Virginia Beach or Chesapeake. Once a lawsuit is filed in circuit court, there's 4 main things that will need to happen. Initially, the other side will be served the lawsuit and they'll answer it, and that's the first stage. After they answer, they have what's called discovery. Each side gets to ask questions of the other person in writing. Generally speaking, there's lawyers always involved in circuit court, so the lawyer will help you answer these. The next thing is depositions. Depositions is a live question and answer, and your lawyer should prepare you for that. And the other lawyer, representing the other party, gets to ask you questions about what happened, and if you were injured in the accident, what your injuries were. And finally, you actually have a trial date. Now, the trial date, generally speaking, is about 2 days, depending on the severity of the injuries. It could be longer, sometimes it could be shorter, but most of the time it's usually a minimum of 2 days. And you actually go through a whole trial. Now, as I say, oftentimes I help out people when they're injured in car, truck, or motorcycle accidents, and I'm able to help them without filing a lawsuit because we get it settled. But if you ever have to go through a lawsuit, that's what you can expect. And generally it's about 1 year to 2 years for a trial date. So if I can ever help you, please feel free to call me, 455-0077.